Hi to all the viewers out there from Learner's Deck, and today I'm not only talking to professionals which are working within an industry for years and years, but I'm also talking to people or for talent who's just entering the organizations or who are just making their way within this professional life. So all of us someday had to make a resume. So how many of us had difficulty, or how many times you have searched Google to make how to make a resume, or which are the most favorable templates and how we can download it? How many of us have wasted so much of time? See, Google Drive, which is a cloud based software, is actually providing us a quick and viable solution. You will have this within your cloud Google Drive, and so you will always have your resume within your Android phone, and you can change or select within many of the available templates within Google Drive. Let's see what are these. So we'll start with Google Docs. We'll start from a template. So when you'll click here on Google Docs, it will show up a blank document and from a template. So as we are making a particular resume, so we have to select it from a template. We don't need to reinvent anything, as most of these are available within the gallery. We just have to pick the correct or the fittest within our requirement. See, these are all the resumes available, so we can select any of the resumes out of these or any of the format. You can select any of these formats, whichever is more suitable to you. I would love to have this one. This looks more informative and more agile to me. See, this is the template that we'll be using for a resume, and the information or the format is already available there. You just have to put in your data. For example, this is the street, so you have to change it to your address. Now you have to change your contact info. Now you can place your name here. Skills. So this is actually an agile resume. So the header is the skills, and the skills are listed on top. You can put all the skills that you would like to enhance or you would like to present here. So you can write all the skills here. Then experience is listed just below all these. The education and the awards are there. This is a very short resume, a quick resume, an agile resume, and this actually fits according to my requirement. But you can always change it, and you can use it as per your requirement. You can use it from many of the available templates within Google Docs. See, all these are available templates, and you can use any of the available resume format which you would like. The other thing that you can actually do is you can search for a resume which is latestly or which is just added to this gallery, or you can start from a blank one and make your own. But in my opinion, there's nothing to reinvent, as you have lots of resume formats available here. So start with any of these, and it will make your life easier. You don't have to worry about how to download it. It will always be available within your phone. Just change the data here and it's ready. So just boost up your career, focus on your skills, compatibility, capabilities, knowledge, attitude, which is a matrix, and forget about all these things, and make sure that you are using the smartest solution available within the market, and which is near to you, which is available to everybody else as well. Please make sure that you hit the subscribe button if you like this video, and make sure that you provide your comments below as well. We'll be right back with more videos. Thank you.